take Tilly to piano practice, okay? Be good for Daddy. Okay, Mommy. Bye-bye, Tilly. Bye-bye, Mommy. Bye, Billy.
Hey Billy, I need your help. Can you help me?
Of course, Daddy. What can I help you with?
Grandma needs our help. She doesn't want a white couch anymore because she has a kitty cat now, so she bought a red one. And since we have white furniture, she's giving the white one to us.
That's nice of Grandma. So what are we gonna do?
We're gonna go help her move her new couch in and bring the other one to our house.
Okay, Daddy. Let's go. Thank you, too, for coming to help me move my couch.
You're welcome.
Anytime, Grandma. Hey, Billy, can you take care of Fluffles while we move the couch? Yeah, Grandma, I love Fluffles.
How much time has Billy spent with Fluffles? Does Fluffles need a break?
Of course not. Fluffles loves kids. Go ahead, Billy. Okay, Grandma. Come here, Fluffles. Where are you going? Cute little Fluffles. I found you, Fluffles. Silly little Fluffles.
Billy, come on, it's time to go home.
Aw, but I just found Fluffles.
Look, Billy, doesn't Grandma's new couch look good?
Yeah, looks great, Grandma. Thank you, Billy.
Okay, Billy, leave Fluffles here, okay? It's time to move the other couch into our house.
Okay, Daddy.
Thanks for your help, Billy.
Of course, Daddy. I love helping you do stuff. Wow, the new couch looks great. Great job, everyone. Mommy, I got to take care of Fluffles. Oh, you did? Did you and Fluffles have a good time? I and Fluffles had a great time. Good job, Billy.